Welcome to the channel Brilliant Minds by Neeru. Students, आजकल these days I am teaching you MySQL. I've already published 2 parts. Now this is the third part I'm going to teach you. So let us start with it. सबसे पहले आपको मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग फंक्शन है नाउ फंक्शन. वैसे तो we'll be doing date and time functions later on in detail. Just I wanted to show you the now function. What does it do? आपको it will show you the current date from the system. आपकी जो computer system में date है and time also. Okay. So let us start with this particular command. Select now. Okay. I'm moving to MySQL. First, I'm giving the password. I'm going to use some database. I remember the name of the database. Otherwise, I would have used the command show databases. Now, I want to see the names of the tables contained in this database. See here, information, marks, product, student, and student detail. I want to select, first I want to see the records in at least 2 tables just for example. Select star. Star asterisk means it will show all the records from the particular table. From I'm going to use marks. Marks and one more table I'm going to use. Okay, fine. Now one more table product suppose I want to use. Okay, fine. So 2 tables are here. I'm going to start with MySQL today. First command is select now. Okay, what it will be doing? I showed you just now. It will be showing you the current date and time also. See here, today is 12th of February and the year is 2021 and time is 17.77. That is the minutes and the seconds. Students, isn't it not interesting? So let us move further. I'm going to start with operators today. First step operators are comparison operators. In the mathematics, you have been studying mathematics since junior classes from class first. See here is equal to, this is a not equal to, these are the symbol. Then not equal to, this symbol cannot also be used. This is the exclamation mark and is equal to sign. Greater than, equal to, less than equal to, in, not, between, is null, is not null, light and exists. These are the comparison operators. I'll show you few commands using these operators. Okay, in this select name and price from products table where price is less than 50.0. Okay, I'm using the less than operator here. Let us see the output. See here, it is in front of you. See the price less than 50.2 15.0. Which are they? Only 10.23. The output is correct, students. So this was less than. I can give greater than also or equal to also. First, I want to suppose make it greater than 50.0. Okay. See here, more than 50.0, 50.25, 50.25, then this number also. And similarly, you can use greater than or you can use less than equal to also. See here only 10.23. Fine. Let us move to another command where less than equal to 6 is. See here x is equal to also has been used here where quantity is less than equal to 60. It will be showing only 2 fields, that is name and quantity from table products where quantity is less than equal to 60. Means 60 is also included. Fine. See here quantity is 50, 60 and 0. And suppose if I don't give is equal to sign, then what will happen? Only less than 60. It is not including 60 in the output. Fine students. I hope it is very much clear to you. इसके बाद next command में हम चलते हैं where I'm using the where product code is equal to, I'm using the string here. Okay, select product code, name and price. 3 columns it will be displaying from table products where product code is equal to pen. See here, product code is pen here. Otherwise, वहां पर और कौन-कौन से हमारे पास है? One pencil also. If I give here where product is equal to pen, if I give here instead of pen, I give pencil suppose. Okay, then what is the difference in the output? Let us check. See here, product code is pencil, so it is going the record from all the three fields. These are product code, name, and price. And I've taught you how to use the alias name also. That can be used here in the columns, in the output as column headings. Fine. Now it is shown to you. Now next is product code is equal to, okay. Now arithmetic operators. Okay. See here, arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication. For that you use asterisk. Then division symbol, you use slasher. Then modulus. It is for showing the remainder, or the modulus means dividing the numbers and then giving the remainder. Okay. Now, for example, a plus b, and like this. Suppose I give this command. Select 10 plus 2. See here, the answer is 12. 12 is given to you. See here, I have not used any table. इसमें कोई टेबल का यूज नहीं किया गया. सिंपल एक कमांड सिलेक्ट के साथ मैंने अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर का यूज किया है. इसको मैं दूसरे तरीके से भी यूज कर सकती हूँ. देखिए इसके अंदर स्टूडेंट्स मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पर देखिए कॉलम के हेडिंग्स 10 प्लस 20 कॉमा 20 प्लस 30. आई हैव गिवन टू एक्सप्रेशंस हियर. मैंने दो एक्सप्रेशंस दिए हैं, 10 प्लस 20 एंड 20 प्लस 30. 20 प्लस 10 इज 30 एंड 20 प्लस 30 इज 15 एंड द कॉलम हेडिंग्स आर हियर. अगर आप इसमें एलियास नेम यूज करना चाहते हैं, एडिशन ऑफ 10 एंड 20 अगर आप लिखना चाहते हैं, वो भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. शुड आई शो यू? आई होप कि आपको यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वेरी वेल. सपोज इसमें मैं लिखना चाहती हूँ एलियास नेम एज fine. See here, the column heading has been changed here. Output is same, 30 and 50. So let us move. I'm going to show you. Similarly, you can use the multiplication symbol also. Division also. This is for subtraction. See here, 8 is here. Similarly, you can use for multiplication. You are going to use asterisk here. See here, 10 to the 20. And same for division also. See here, 5.00. Then next is I'm going to show you the modulus. Suppose I want to divide 20 and slash 3. Fine. I want to see the remainder. 3 6 are 18. Okay. And it is dividing 3 6 are 18. Then it should be giving you, this is the division. But if I want to see the remainder, what symbol I am going to use? I have to use the symbol percentage symbol, students. See here. When you divide 20 by 3, the answer is 3 6 are 18 and remainder is 2. Is it clear? Now these were your arithmetic operators. One more way of using the modulus operator is, see here, we can use the mod function also. I show you how. See, mod 257 divided by 9. Or you can write mod, then in parentheses you can give the two numbers. This number will be divided by 19. Fine. I can give you a simple example. You want to divide 7 by 3. See here, only one is. That is the 7 mod 3. So mod function can also be used here instead of the percentage symbol as I used here. Fine. Now these were the arithmetic operators. Now I'm going to use the logical operators. What are the logical operators? In logical operators, we use and, all, any, between, exists, in, like, not, or. And, or, not, and many more are there. Okay. Suppose I want to run this query. I want the output as where the product code should be pen and pencil both. Fine. So I'm going to run this query and see the output. Then it will be clear to you. See here, I have used the and. This is the logical operator. And in that you have to use the column name repeatedly. You can't write like product code is equal to pen and pencil. No, You have to write product code is equal to pen and product code is equal to pencil. This is the empty set because in the table, see up first, okay, I'm going to show you the records of table products. Select star, okay. See here, there is no such code which has both the names pen and pencil. Fine. But if I give here or, okay. Sorry, I gave the wrong command. Where now I'm going to use here instead of and or. There should be product code as pen or pencil. Then what is going to be done? It will be showing you all the records because few have the product code as pen and few have and one as pencil also. See here, it is giving me all the records because three are having pen as a product code and the last one only pencil for the product code. So here I've used the or operator and here I had used and operator and or. Okay, suppose I want to use not operator where product code, okay, not equal to, I'm going to use this symbol, not equal to pen means it will be showing us the record of the pencil product. Yes, now product code is pencil. And if you want to see all the records from pen, okay, not pen, now you want to see, you have to give here pencil because you want to see the records of pen. Not pencil means now it is showing you all the records from product code as pen. I hope it is very much clear to you students. ये हमारा and or not हो गए थे हमारे and or not, now between, yes, now between. I want to see if you want to give some range, आपको कुछ range देनी है कि between this and this number, तो आप इस तरह से and आप साथ में यूज करेंगे between के साथ में, clause के साथ में. ये देखिए आपके सामने where price between 10 and 20, 10 and 20 के बीच में कितनी प्राइस थी? ओनली 10.23. मैं आपके सामने रिकॉर्ड्स एक बार शो करती हूँ. दिस द टेबल नेम as products. See here, price 10.23, 50.25, 15.25 and 9 something. Then you can see here between 10 and 20, only this lies between this range, between this and this. And it includes both the limits, like this is a lower limit and this is the upper limit. So with the between clause, both these numbers are included, 10 and 23 also. Okay. So let us move to some other. Now I'm going to show you the in operator. What is it? In the bracket after in, you give the list of anything you want to. Suppose I want to see the records where roll number is only 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 3 and 4 and 5. That's it. See here. Now the roll number 3, 4 and 5. Suppose I want to see the records of 5, 6, 7, 8. Five, six, seven. Fine. Now it is showing you the records of 5, 6 and 7 roll numbers respectively. So this was the in operator. If I want, I can use this as an opposite also. Not in 5, 6, 7. Mean it will not show us the records of 5, 6, 7, but other than 5, 6, 7. So for that, what do I have to do? I have to use not in. Not in. See here, not 5, 3, 4, 5. Not 3, 4, 5, not in 3 or 5, then 6, 7, 8. This is the output for your students. I hope it is very much clear to you. I have done between operator, in, and, or, and other arithmetic operators also with you. Not in, I've showed you students. Now today I'm going to show you the like operator also. What is like operator? It is very important. It is sometimes asked in Viva questions also, in practical also. And in practical exam, sometimes, in most of the times, you get a query to write using this like operator. It is an operator which is used with where clause to search for a specific pattern in a column. And for this, there are two while characters which are used very often. I'll explain you with the example here. One is percentage symbol and another is underscore. Percentage symbol, this is used to represent 0, 1 or multiple characters. Any number of characters means, or no characters. And underscore means represent it, single underscore means one character. If you give two underscore, it will represent two characters. So I'm going to run this query. Select star from marks. The table name is marks, where name like M% means the name should start with M, and after that no or any one or two or any number of characters should come. See here, where name like M. I'm going to show you all the records first so that you can match. See here, starting with M, only Meeta Mehta M. Only this record is the answer for your query. Okay, M% means after M there can be any number of characters. And if I change it a little bit. Select start from marks. Then name like. M should be, you want anywhere in between. Then what you want to use, you have to give percentage in the starting and at the end. Means anywhere in the middle of these names. M here. See here, Amita. In Amita, it is not starting with M, but in Amita Gupta, M is there. Meeta Mehta, again M, two M's are there. So percentage means any number of character or no character. Fine. But if I give M underscore, means it will start with M, but after that only one character more. Then what is it going to give? No output. Okay, empty set. So let me run this also. Where name like M and I'm giving one underscore. Fine. So it is giving empty set because there is no such name starting with M and one more character. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, if I give starting with J and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 6 more. Okay. Starting with J and after that 6 more. 1 is there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. See here, it is showing you the name Janvi because now it is specific number of characters. One underscore means one character. After J, there were 6 more. I gave 6 more underscores. So आपके सामने क्या output आ गया? Janvi and is a star. So it is going to display all the fields from this record. Janvi. Is it clear, students? ये आपका like है. It is very very important for you. इसके अंदर देखिए मैंने M% दिया है, A% है, AN%. इसमें let us see. दिस ऑल्सो, यानी कि स्टार्टिंग में आपका क्या होना चाहिए? ए और एन से आपकी स्टार्टिंग होनी चाहिए. सी हियर, स्टार्टिंग विद नेम्स आर स्टार्टिंग विद एन, अनीता, अंकित. So these are the two output of this particular query. So like this, like is used. Now here I've used the underscore, percentage A I've already explained, students. So for this video, I'm going to stop here only. We'll be doing more in the next part of MySQL. Do subscribe the channel, students. I hope you are understanding MySQL very well. And I wish you score full marks in MySQL part, in your theory and in practical as well.